Hey everybody, it's me back with another video. As I stated in a lot of my priors, I do get in the mood for a snack, and so today I had a taste for onion rings, and so I decided to make my own onion rings. So I used one big onion. I've done this before in the past, and so I said, you know what? Why am I gonna buy onion rings when I can make my very own onion rings? And so here we are chopping down one large onion. We all know how to peel the onion, and so that's how we start off. Get all the shed off the top. I love this part because it's like they give you all of this hassle just to get to the bottom of the onion. But when you get there, hey, so we have peeled our onion. Let me get rid of this stuff, you guys. And now we are going to chop away. So you're just going to chop it in circles, just as the way it's shaped. And as we go, we're going to peel it from the middle or the top. It depends how your onion decides it want to move. And so you go ahead and peel off your circles as much as you want. Sometimes you get those little small pieces that you really don't want to deal with, and so that's up to you. And then we keep on chopping and do the same as we go. I'm going to chop this whole onion for you guys only because I feel like I owe you guys a little bit more content, and so here we go. We are making homemade onion rings. You guys are really going to enjoy these. What I did for seasoning is I did my house seasoning, but as I stated, you guys use what's best for you. I'm trying to get away from the salt, so I mix my own variety of seasoning so I don't have to season and taste any salt. For batter, what we're going to do is we're going to take a bowl and we're going to do some flour and we're going to add some water and mix it up just thick enough like if you was going to make a pancake. And so that's how you're going to batter your onion rings. I don't use egg. I've heard some people use eggs. I don't, because I'm going to use less calories and whatever as possible. And so being that I am going to fry them, which I did use olive oil, you can use whatever oil you want to use. And so being that I'm frying, I'm not egging. You feel me? And so, no. So you go ahead and continue your onion. Again, you pull it out. I try to get them as round as possible. Sometimes they do tend to break apart, and it's fine. It still tastes the same when it's done, believe me. And so, see, I have a piece that I probably won't fry. I may get rid of. So you on to the next. Again, you keep doing the same thing. Chop up your onions. Try to keep them round because we are doing onion rings. If not, by the time you bat them and fry them, you won't even realize that it's not even like whole or round. It tastes the same. It won't taste any different no matter how you cut them. You can actually cut them how you like to cut them. I just like to do them round because of the name. And so, onion rings are onion ring, right? Yeah, I felt like a snack, but I didn't want any sugar. So, this is what I did. Let me continue on with this onion. Please let me know if you guys are using any of the ideas that I've been posting up. I've received some emails and I'm thankful. I probably will post some eventually on Instagram. Please follow us on TikTok. That is a growing platform. I am proud at just a little bit of growth that we have over there. So YouTube, follow us on TikTok, and let's get that platform going. Again, we're going to continue to cut these onions. I'm enjoying what I'm doing over here on this channel. I'm glad that people are reaching out and saying certain things are helping them or whatever the case. And so that's all what it's all about. Each one teach one. So look, I'm still going to fry you. I don't care if you fall off. So this should be the last two pieces. Let's see how it goes. It's always when you get to the look. That's all right. I'm going to still cook these onions. And I'm going to have these with my fish from last night and a couple of grapes. And that's going to be it for me. That's going to be my dinner. So I got my snack and dinner all in one. And I made it myself. So now what we're going to do is we have the bowl of flour. As you can see, I'm going to pour some water in there. It's already seasoned. That I said, put whatever seasoning you choose. I use my house seasoning because it's a bunch of seasonings with no salt. Been trying to break away big time. So you're gonna again stir it. I use a fork so that it don't have continuous lumps in it. And again, some use eggs. I don't, because I want to, keep the calories and the cholesterol, to a minimum. And so flour is more than enough. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm gonna mix that up. Look at this. We got a guest today. Look at that smile. Alrighty now. And so we're gonna stir this up. We're gonna make it just enough to thicken so that when we batter, it don't fall off the onion. So we're gonna start with this one, and we're gonna put it in. Again, I have a pan with oil in it. I've used olive oil. You guys can use any oil that you chose to use, but I've been kind of pushed back from certain oils unless it's chicken. And so that's the outcome, the beginning and the end. If you are enjoying the content, please feel free to donate. $refuse to lose BTS. Subscribe and peace.